Welcome to another insightful episode on maintenance and reliability. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, your ultimate resource for the success of maintenance and reliability teams. Today, we're taking a closer look at preventive and predictive maintenance, two strategies that could revolutionize your asset management. You'll learn what sets these two methods apart and how making the right choice could save you time, money, and resources. Now, let's get started. Preventive and predictive maintenance are designed to boost the reliability of your assets and reduce the amount of reactivity to failures. They're both forms of scheduled maintenance, but what sets them apart? Well, preventive maintenance is regularly scheduled, while predictive maintenance is scheduled based on the condition of your assets. This means that predictive maintenance can save you on labor and material costs, but it does require a substantial amount of money, training, and resources to get started. However, these costs are often manageable for organizations that have successfully implemented a preventive maintenance program. Now let's break it down even further. Think of preventive maintenance like an annual physical checkup. Technicians perform these maintenance tasks when everything is still running smoothly to prevent future breakdowns or emergency maintenance issues. Just like a checkup can prevent illness and lengthen your life, preventive maintenance can prevent equipment failures and extend the functional life of your assets. Plus, keeping your production lines up and running makes you more profitable. But there's a challenge: balancing the cost with return. Experienced maintenance managers must make smart decisions on which machines require what preventive maintenance work and how frequently. On the other hand, predictive maintenance is similar to preventive maintenance, but it requires particular preset conditions. In our health analogy, this would be like screenings or precautions recommended for an individual at higher risk for a particular disease due to hereditary or lifestyle consideration. If a piece of equipment suddenly performs outside normal parameters, a predictive maintenance protocol is triggered to schedule a repair or prevent future breakdowns. I can't stress enough how important it is to invest in a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS. This will give you the measurements and data required to make smart decisions. It can reduce unneeded maintenance tasks, minimize maintenance costs, develop a strong overall maintenance program, and monitor the equipment and systems to keep your facility up and running. Just as eating right, physical activity, and wellness exams all play a role in physical health, both preventive and predictive maintenance have an important place in a strategic facility maintenance program. So, how do we differentiate between preventive and predictive maintenance? Predictive maintenance is performed only when needed, reducing labor and material costs. But implementing a predictive maintenance program requires a substantial amount of money, training, and resources up front. These costs are often acceptable to organizations that have already successfully implemented a preventive maintenance program. Preventive maintenance is work that is scheduled based on calendar time, asset runtime, or some other period of time. It requires maintenance software for scheduling, a maintenance scheduler for larger organizations, and preventive maintenance checklists. It's better than reactive maintenance and relatively easy to implement, but there's a risk of over-maintaining and it can be labor-intensive. Predictive maintenance, on the other hand, is work that is scheduled as needed based on real-time conditions of assets. It requires maintenance software for scheduling, a maintenance scheduler for larger organizations, condition monitoring software, condition monitoring tools and sensors, and PDM training. Maintenance is performed as needed, reducing maximum amount of downtime, but it requires expensive technology and can be time-intensive to implement correctly. So, which one should you choose? It depends on your organization's needs and resources. If you want to decrease unplanned downtime and emergency maintenance, but don't have a large maintenance budget, preventive maintenance might be the way to go. If you have assets with slow-speed bearings that frequently fail and suspect that assets are being over-greased, predictive maintenance with ultrasound analysis might be a better fit. Remember, the goal is to keep your facility up and running smoothly, and both preventive and predictive maintenance can play a crucial role in achieving that. Thank you for tuning in today. We've discussed the differences between preventive and predictive maintenance and how they can revolutionize your asset management. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.